Hi guys! Welcome to my video, and today pag-uusapan natin ang cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll talk about what is cryptocurrency, what is Bitcoin, why is everyone buying Bitcoin, and how can we turn our fiat currency into a cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. So what is cryptocurrency? Basically, it's just a digital currency. US dollar is an example of a physical currency or fiat currency. Fiat currencies like US dollar is regulated by a government. Their circulation are being controlled by the government, and most of all, they are physical. On the other hand, Bitcoin is not physical, so nasa internet lang siya. It is a peer-to-peer network, so anyone can have Bitcoin, and because of that, it is decentralized since no one regulates the whole circulation. So to summarize, the only difference between a fiat currency and a cryptocurrency is their regulation. Bitcoin is decentralized, fiat currency is centralized. So now we know the difference between a fiat currency and cryptocurrency. Now we move to the next question. Bakit ba yung mga tao gustong bumili ng Bitcoin? So traditionally, what people do in order to earn more money with currency is by doing Forex trading. So Forex is basically just buying a specific currency sa pinakamababang presyo. So for example, bibili tayo ng US dollar at this price, 48.44 pesos per US dollar. So kung meron tayong 1,000 pesos. So bumili tayo ng US dollar for 48.44 pesos rate. And then hihintayin natin tumaas ang price niya para doon natin siya isa-sell at gagawan ng profit. 48.88 pesos ang target price niya doon for 2 weeks. And as you can see, following this 2 weeks trade, nagkaroon tayo ng profit of 9 pesos at a 0.91% profit rate. So what if we invest 1,000 peso into Bitcoin instead? So to compare the difference between them, so gagamitin tayo ng 2 weeks time frame. So let's try buying Bitcoin at the current lowest price, which is around 50,000. So let's input 50,000. And then let's go for the 2 weeks time frame. So ito ay March 25. Let's sell at April 14, which is around 64,000 US dollars. So as you can see, nung kinuha natin yung buy and sell rates natin from both different currency, nakita natin yung difference ng kanilang profit. In US dollars, pag gumamit tayo ng Forex trading, it's more likely na gantong kalit yung profit rate natin. Unlike in crypto, mas malaki ang nakukuha nating profit since the price action in crypto is very volatile. So following this two formula, let's say we want to invest 50,000 pesos into both currency. So first, let's try with US dollars. So as you can see, if we invested 50,000 pesos to US dollars, we will be earning 454 pesos or 0.91% profit. But if we did that to Bitcoin, we will be actually earning 14,000 pesos or 28% profit. So that's a massive difference from Forex trading versus cryptocurrency trading. So the more na mas malaki ang nilalagay mong pera, the more na mas malaki ang profit mo. The more na mas volatile ang action, the more na mas volatile ang price, the more na mas malaki din ang magiging profit rate. Ngayon, pwede ka ba dyan malugi? Yes. So what if bumagsak ang price niya from 64 to 30? You'll also be at a loss of 20,000. At some point, if nangyari ngayon, that's a 40% loss. So in this case, ano ba dapat ang gawin natin? Ang ginagawa natin doon para maiwasan yung ganong scenario ay inaaral ang price movement ng charts through historical data and predictive analytics and trends. but we'll be talking about that in a separate video since that is a very broad topic. For this video, let's stick with how to buy Bitcoin. So now we know why people wants to buy Bitcoin. Ngayon, alamin natin how do we turn fiat currency into a cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. In order to do that, you will be needing two things. First is an exchange. Second is an e-wallet. Binance is an example of a trading platform with an e-wallet. So, pag gagamitin mo to, you actually need an account. So, you have to register an account. I actually have a referral code which you can use when you're going to start with crypto. You'll earn 10% on your first crypto transaction. And I too will be earning 10%. Referral code and link will be down below on the description. So now let's proceed in buying a crypto. Personally, my preferred way of buying crypto is using credit or debit card. Credit or debit card, as long as naka Visa and MasterCard, is acceptable in Binance. So in order to do that, pupunta tayo dito sa wallet. And then if you're just starting at the cryptocurrency space, I would just start first with fiat and spot wallet muna. Once we are at our fiat and spot wallet, let's search for Bitcoin. So let's type in BTC and then let's select buy. So once we have selected buy, you'll see the buy crypto area at the far right side. You'll see here the spend and buy. Spend is the amount of fiat currency that you'll be depositing inside Binance and converting it into Bitcoin. So in this case, I want to load 20 US dollars. So by the way, meron din siyang minimum transaction amount depending on your payment method. In this case, it's 15 US dollars. And the minimum transaction actually depends on this exchange. Coins.ph, another example, doesn't have any minimum transaction since it is local. The only reason why I'm only using Binance is mas mataas ang buy rate ng coins.ph. And another, Binance is the top crypto exchange in the world, so I'd still use Binance over coins.ph. So once you have inputted your specific amount, you'll be seeing the amount of Bitcoin that you'll be receiving. In this case, 0.000319 using a selected payment method. So in my case, I have inputted my credit or debit card, and then I'll just have to click buy BTC. So you'll just have to confirm your payment details, complete other safety certification, and complete the payment. So once you have successfully deposited your amount, you'll just have to go to your wallet, go to fiat and spot, search for Bitcoin. Once you have shown your balance, you'll actually be seeing the amount of crypto that you are holding in BTC, as well as the coin that you have deposited. So that's how you turn fiat currency into cryptocurrency. Maybe I'll also be doing another video soon on converting fiat currency via coins.ph. I'll let you know soon if I'll be posting that video. So if you find this video useful, then please leave a like. If you have any tutorial requests regarding cryptocurrency, please comment them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to receive daily videos on cryptocurrency on my channel. See you again soon and bye-bye.